Hello, budding Electroheads. I'm going to hazard a guess that most people watching this video are electro-curious. Perhaps you've already got a fantastic bike that you know and love and have been riding for years, but maybe you're curious about giving it a new lease of life. Or maybe you're already sold into the idea of getting an e-bike, but let's be real, the pre-built ones are pretty expensive. So I'm here today in East London and I'm hitting up Paradise Cycles and I'm going to be trying out the Boost e-bike conversion kit. And I want to find out, firstly, how to fit it, and secondly, if it's any good. So what I've been doing is I've actually abstained from riding electric bikes for a whole week. These hills, man, woo-wee. I know, it's been hard. And I've been riding this lightweight baddie. It's actually been really interesting and I've learned a lot going back to non-electric. And now I'm gonna get this fitted out and see how it feels to experience the joy of electric for the first time. Let's go. Firstly, I took on a hill. Woo-wee! Did I feel it? Having to pack a change of clothes. My backpack right now is full to the brim. Also, avoiding danger. There's been a couple of times I haven't been able to dodge it like I would with electric assistance. If I was doing this every day, Monday to Friday, I think I'd get to Thursday and I'd be shot. My legs would need a rest. You don't really need that with an electric bike. I'm so excited to get the Boost kit fitted onto this bike. I can't wait to feel the difference. So I'm here with Louis from Paradise Cycles and he's going to help me fit the Boost kit onto this bike. Now I am not by any means DIY savvy, so I'm leaving that to Louis today. But bear in mind, if you want to get Boost kit, you can fit it yourself if you are so inclined and you can use a few wrenches and tools like I can't. But otherwise, if you're like me, then you can come to a shop like Paradise Cycles and get it fitted. And also get some great aftercare as well. But first, Louis.
Hey.
How do we fit the Boost kit?
There's actually only two parts that you need to fit onto the bike. You just need to replace the back wheel and then we need to fit the battery. So it's super, super easy.
In fact, there is a third piece which you don't need to have, but depending on rider preference is an addition that may well be worth having. It's a wireless display, it's Bluetooth connected and allows you to adjust the level of boost that you'd like, plus has a speedometer and even an RPM reader to smash those Fitspo targets. Oh, and there's an app as well that you can use with it. And thanks to its fancy chip, the same chip used by Apple AirTags by the way, it can be fed over-the-air updates. It's basically like a Tesla, but in bike form.
Oh, lovely.
So while you're at it, I'm just going to distract you for the whole time and just ask you a few questions.
I can just multitask.
So I'm actually really intrigued to know, how have you seen the market changing? Have you seen more e-bikes coming through the doors?
Oh yeah, for sure. I think back when we opened, it would be like, one a week or a couple a week or something like that. And now it's, 5 or 6 a day. So I've just fitted the tyre and the inner tube. And then I also need to fit the disc rotor onto this side and then the cassette onto this side, and then the wheel will be ready to go in.
And what wheel sizes does the Boost kit fit to?
So 26 inch, and then it also comes in 700C, and you can use them with disc brakes or with rim brakes. We just need to connect the two leads, a little twiddle, and then that just pops together. The battery is like so easy to take on and off. It just means that you can pop it in your bag really easily.
That's great.
So I'll just pop that on there now for you. Slots in there, and then you can hear a nice click, and then you're ready to go.
Amazing.
Amazing.
So I now have an electric bike?
You now have an electric bike, yeah.
So I haven't ridden for a whole week
Right.
without electric, and it's been a journey, to say the least. No, it's been fine, but I'm really excited just to test this out and see what difference it makes.
For sure, yeah. Should we go do that now?
Let's go do it. I'll let you know how it goes. First ride. It's raining, but I don't care. Let's go. Woo! Yes! We've got the electric back in my life. Man, I miss this. It just feels like you have a superpower. You're just being carried beautifully by the motor. That difference when you have electric assist behind you. Oh, the sensor is actually situated inside the rear wheel, it's just by the motor.
What this means is you're getting a really natural push, which feels like an extension of your own capabilities, instead of the basic on-off response you can find with many cheaper pre-built e-bikes on the market. And get this, the Boost battery adds up to 50 kilometers of electrically assisted range, making it a bona fide cheat code for your commutes. It's discreet but powerful and will ultimately take you further, whilst providing a lot of fun along the way.
So right now, I'm in boost mode. So there's two power options. You've got eco and boost. I of course had to go straight into boost mode. My God, you feel it. The power coming from the rear hub motor means you're getting this beautiful push from the back of the bike. There's also a super boost mode, which I'm going to put on now. So super boost gives you a big old boost. Super boost, let's go. Love it.
I've ridden a lot of electric bikes in my time, and in all honesty, this goes above and beyond the incredibly modest price tag. If you have a 26-inch or 700c wheeled analog ride, this is your sign to get it converted. Of course, there are other converter kits available in the market, but truthfully, you can be expecting months on the waiting list at a slightly more costly price and a motor in the front wheel which just isn't as nice as having that assist from behind.
Wow. This is just a second-hand £200 bike that you could just get anywhere, eBay, Gumtree. It just amazes me to think that you can get something like this, take it into a store like Paradise Cycles, get the boost kit fitted, 15 minutes, in and out, and suddenly you have this upgraded, complex, sophisticated machine that just unlocks the world. I know, cheesy.
Cheese.
I think one fair point to make though with the boost kit is, of course, it does add on a bit more weight to your original bike. I think it's about 4 kilograms. I mean, this is quite a lightweight bike anyway, but just, I mean, that's probably about the same weight as the Estarli E28 that I ride a lot of the time. It's really not that heavy, and if I can pick that up, I'm sure a lot of you at home can, because I'm not strong.
Believe in yourself.
So yeah, it adds a bit of weight, but the weight that is put into this and the power that comes out of this, it's not even a question. So I think it's safe to say that I am going to be giving my stamp of approval for putting the Boost kit on our online store. Boost has really hit the nail on the head in terms of this niche of the market. All right guys, I'm going to wrap it up there. I hope you've enjoyed the ride, coming along with me. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you soon. Bye.